Hey guys, I'm making this video for you guys out there, and I'm just gonna get straight into it without all the bullshit intros and stuff. This is a GE profile ice machine. I'm gonna get a little. Here you go. This might be helpful, right? Some of you guys might have this. Mine started making a weird tone sound. I wasn't making any ice. I took it apart. Check out what I found. Okay, these hoses. All right. Now, I got to clean these out, and look, you can see it's caked in here too. Look at this. You can hear it crunching, okay? So if you guys run into this problem, don't buy a new one, all right? These things are like 300 bucks. Clean out your hoses first, okay? I hope this video finds some of you well, and there you go, guys. Just clean out the hoses instead of buying $300 for another one. Come on, man, you know what I mean? All right, good luck to you guys.